son who is also interested in science, so it kind of goes hand in hand for me to learn about how to teach it while I'm actually learning how to teach it as a father.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. I'm only slightly confused.
But you stick it on the battery?
I don't know.
In this case, we're going to practice how to.
So, Amy, how do you...
Sorry?
Yeah, Amy.
Page is where the knowledge comes in, because I think there's things that are more important first. So it starts out with love, and then security, then encouragement and passion as the flower grows, and then you give them knowledge. That just came out. I don't know.
Let the kids explore by actually exploring, and in this case they're exploring space, and they go back to the classroom, but Jimmy gets left behind.
I wish I would have taken more time.
You can always make another.
Exactly, I really enjoyed